Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Demetrius Online School. Demetrius Online School is an educational channel here on YouTube. And what we do is to bring lessons for students who are preparing to take exams on different subjects: JAMB, GCE, NECO, post-TME. If you are sitting for any exams, this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you can always get notified each time we upload a new video here. Today's video is on WASC government past questions. WASC government past questions. This is the second episode. We've already uploaded the first episode. Please make sure you watch the first episode before watching this one or after watching this one. Okay, make sure you click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell and click on the like button at the end of the video if you enjoyed the video. Okay, now without wasting time, let's begin.
So it's question number 7. The question is, the civil service helps the government to A. Recruit personnel for the army. B. Develop and implement policies effectively. C. Maintain instability in the state. D. Stay in power for a long time. Let us state the meaning of civil service. The civil service is a body or a department in the executive arm of the government responsible for the execution of the policies, programs of the government. The civil service and its workers, known as civil servants, perform purely administrative and executive functions, which entails formulation and implementation of government policies. We have civil service both at state and federal levels. The civil service is divided into departments, and each department carries out specific functions. The departments, called ministries, are headed by ministers or ministers at the federal level, or commissioners at the state level. Remember that the armed forces, the police, public operations, and government-owned companies are not included in the civil service, but are collectively called public service, and their workers, including the civil servants, are called public servants. In Nigeria, there are federal and state civil service. By what we have in the question once again is, the civil service helps the government to B is the right answer. Develop and implement policies effectively. Core duty of the civil service is to develop and implement policies effectively. Remember that civil service is part and parcel of the executive, and the main function of the executive is to execute policies. Execute policies of the government. Next question is question number 8. The question is, a citizen is barred from active politics when employed as a options. We have option A, university lecturer; option B, priest; option C, civil servant; option D, journalist. The right answer is option C, civil servant. Civil servants are not allowed to participate actively in politics, though they might vote, but they will not stand for election. If they wish to stand for election, what they should do is to resign. The right answer is option C, civil servant. Any civil servant that wish to vie for any political position, the first thing the civil servant will do is to tender his resignation letter. He or she should resign before vying for any elective position in Nigeria. Next question is question number 9. The question is, citizens' political participation is best practiced under A. Citizens' political participation is best practiced under A. Options: A. Militant pressure group; B. Neighborhood vigilante group; C. Cooperative society; D. Political party. The right answer is D. Political party is the right answer. The right answer is D. A political party may be defined as organized group of people who share similar political opinions, principles, interests, and beliefs with the aim of gaining political power and governing the country. Preoccupation of a political party is to win and govern the country. A good example of a political party is APC, and currently APC is the ruling party in Nigeria. APC means All Progressives Congress. All Progressives Congress is a ruling party in Nigeria. PDP is equally a political party. LP, popularly known as Labour Party, is equally a political party. And other political parties. So political party might have what we call Cadre Party. Cadre Party is a political party made for those that are rich, the wealthy, the first-class citizens in the country. Mass Party is a political party for everybody, both the rich and the poor. General Religious Party is a party that is based on religious ideology. Charismatic or personality party. This is a political party formed based on one's personality. Could remember what happened in 2020 election, that a lot of people joined LP as a result of Peter Obi's character. Then we can classify LP as a character or charismatic or personality party. Have ideology party as well, particularly in Europe. Political parties that are based on political party ideology. The country, don't join the political party. No, you must join the political party that has the same ideology with you. Next question is question number 10. The question is, the most important function of government is to ensure the A. Building of offices and houses. B. Judiciary is well resourced. C. Second aim of government is respected. D. Security of the citizen. Government perform numerous functions in the country. Remember, in the absence of government, we call it anarchy. A situation where there is no form of government, we call it anarchy. And such is like moving back to the dark ages. And we have government as a process or art of governing. Government as an academic field of study, government as an institution of the state. Join them together, you get a comprehensive definition of what we call government. Remember, the functions of government is lawmaking, maintenance of law and order, defense of the country, protection of life and property, to administer justice, provision of social services, provision of employment opportunities, economic functions. Government perform political functions, maintaining external relations. These are some of the functions performed by the government, but one of them is a major one. Go back to the question once again. The question is, the most important function government is to ensure. The most important function of government is to ensure the right answer is the security of the citizens. The preoccupation, the major function of government is secure citizens, to secure her citizens from internal and external aggression. D is the right answer. Security of the citizens. Remember, the security of the citizens include both property and so on and so forth, both the young, aged, women and men, to protect them, to secure them. That is why every country do invest heavily in purchasing of arms and maintaining its military. D is the right answer, security of the citizens. Next question is question number 11. The question says, the right to an adequate standard of living falls under. The right to an adequate standard of living falls under. In the options, we have A. Civil right. B. Economic right. C. Free market economy. D. Right to life. Let us define what we mean by right. Right may be defined as certain privileges that every citizen enjoys in a country, irrespective of sex, tribe, or level of education. These rights are natural: civil rights, political rights, and legal rights. If you are talking of standard of living, you are talking of economy. The right answer should be option B, economic right. Next question is question number 12. The question is, people's political values are continuously shared by the following agents except. People's political values are continuously shared by the following agents except A, education, option B, family, option C, media, option C, Ombudsman. Explain the meaning of Ombudsman. The Ombudsman is the institution established to investigate and deal with cases of maladministration, injustice, corruption, and unfair treatment by public officers or public authorities against citizens. The Ombudsman, which is also known as the Public Complaints Commission, was first introduced in Sweden in 1809 and has since then been established in many other countries like Nigeria, Finland, Norway, Pakistan, USA, etc. Nigeria established Ombudsman in Nigeria in 1975 by the military administration of General Murtala Mohammed. Another word for Ombudsman is Public Complaint Commission. It was established in Nigeria in 1975. The right answer to the question is media. C is the right answer, media. Don't need to explain other ones. I know you know the meaning of other ones. You know the meaning of education, family, media, etc. Next question is question number 13. Question number 13 is, in which political system are there two levels of government with considerable devolution? In which political system are there two levels of government with considerable devolution? Options, we have capitalism, option A. B, federalism. C, fascism. D, Unitarianism. Capitalism means political and economic system in which all or most means of production and distribution are owned and controlled by private individuals, and in which the economic activity of the government is at a minimum rate. All the European countries and America are operating what we call capitalist economy. While federalism, the system of government in which governmental powers that exist in the country are shared between a central government that represents the whole country and government of component regions or states, so that each government is legally and constitutionally independent and autonomous. Nigeria is a federal state. Fascism. Fascism may be defined as the philosophy, principle, and organization of the aggressive nationalist and the anti-communist dictatorship. Fascist movement was started in Italy in 1922 and dissolved in 1943 under Benito Mussolini. Fascism condemns both capitalism and socialism, and also repudiates peace, democracy, rule of law, and glorifies war. Tyrannism, a system of government in which all governmental powers are concentrated in the hands of a single authority or central government. Right answer is option D. Question number
Sorry guys, I had to cut the video here in order for it not to be lengthy. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a thumb up. Click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. The next episode will be uploaded very soon. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel and share the video to your friends who are preparing for WASC exams. Okay, share the video to your friends. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon in the next episode. Bye.